Alright, so this is the smaller all-clad pan that came in the set. We use this thing for everything in my family. We love it. Mostly for eggs, which is what I'm gonna show you right now. This is just a teaspoon of olive oil, that's it. And honestly, you probably don't even need that much. This pan should be fairly hot already because I toasted a piece of bread. Beautiful. I'm gonna dump my eggs in here. Crank up the heat a little bit. Now I'm a big fan of these all-clad pans. I use them in my restaurant. I use them at home. They're super durable. I mean, these things can take a beating. And they are the best non-sticks that I've used. I mean, look at this. This is just a teaspoon of oil. And like I said, you probably don't even need a teaspoon. Probably could have done half that. Not sticking at all. Look at that. Look at that, no stick. Nothing. I highly recommend these pans.